Now let's move on to the weather, and now we have Tomasz Schafernaker.
There he is.
Here I am.
Ah!
I got there in the end. Now, so what's happening over the next few days or so? Well, it's actually going to be very changeable. Most of us will get a bit of rainfall. There'll be some sunshine around too. But as far as today's concerned, the majority of the UK will have bright weather, and there'll be some breezy weather around as well, especially breezy across parts of East Anglia. It's certainly quite windy even in London first thing this morning, and the reason for it is this area of weather, this swirl of cloud, an area of low pressure across central Europe is just about brushing East Anglia, giving a little bit of rain and some wind here. That's not the only area of weather. There's another band of cloud and rain coming into the west of the UK, and that'll bring some rain to Northern Ireland, so we're actually sort of being almost attacked from two directions, whereas the bit in the middle, where of course most of the people live, it should be a fairly bright day, so quite decent conditions to come for most of us, I should think. So here it is. This is around about 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, so the rain just about still only just about scraping Kent and eastern parts of England. Otherwise, the rest of the country, at least across the southern portion of the UK, is doing fine. Temperatures in some spots getting even to the mid-20s, but remember there's a bit of a breeze out there. It's coming in from the west or the northwest here. Lovely weather across most of Wales this afternoon, but then we get into western Britain, and this is where the front is. It's coming in from the west, bringing a bit of a breeze too, and some outbreaks of rain to Northern Ireland and also the western Isles of Scotland. So not a particularly nice day in Stornoway. Stornoway, of course, itself is a lovely place. Now, as far as the rest of the UK is concerned this evening, it will cloud over, but for Manchester, we've got that big match there. Manchester United versus Newcastle should stay dry around 18 degrees or so. The rain will come a little bit later on in the night, so for the match it should be dry. And here it is, that band of rain winds. The one across the east sort of fizzles away, moves out into the continent, but then we get engulfed by this area of weather, so it's going to be a damp night. Temperatures probably hovering around about 12-13 across most of the UK. And then tomorrow, a soggy start to the day. In fact, some of the rain may linger into the afternoon in some eastern areas, but then you'll notice that it actually improves as we go into the afternoon tomorrow. So tomorrow's not a write-off. It may seem like it in the morning. It's going to be a dull and dismal afternoon, but eventually things will improve. Now, Wednesday, the best of the weather, I'd say, will be across eastern areas of the country, because across the west it'll be breezy and there'll be some showers around us, or maybe some heavy ones too. So the headline for this week, because it is going to be a changeable week, some rain and there'll be some sunshine as well. So it's not all bad, but you probably will need your brollies, at least from time to time. That's it. Bye.